Hey everyone, today let's look at this always on feature on my Apple Watch Series 6. I'm going to test this in two different environments. One is outdoor here and also indoors in different scenarios like shopping malls, inside house and other places. Right, here I am in my balcony. It's 3:30 in the afternoon here in Bangalore, India. It's cloudy but it's bright enough, so let's test the feature. We will look at different watch face and decide which one is good outdoor. Let me turn on the always on display, so it's presently off. Go into settings. Okay, I was already in the always on. Okay, always on is turned on. The first watch face what you're looking at is called Meridian. This is how the watch face looks when it's on. Okay, let me see how it looks when the always on display is on. Okay, this is how it appears when the watch face is on always on display. Now it's in the outdoor, the watch face looks like this. From this distance you can see the time is visible. There are other watch face which is clearly visible especially in outdoor environment, which I'm going to show you, and I'm going to tell you which watch face is better in the outdoor environment. Okay, I'm going to select a different face now. Okay, this is Chronograph Pro. Okay, this watch face is Chronograph Pro. I'm going to select this. So this is when the display is on. Now always on display is on. Right, now you can see how the time is visible during the always on display, and the display is quite bright, and this is how it looks when my hand is down. I have to mention that there is a coating on this watch, scratch guard. You can see there is some tiny air bubbles, so due to this coating maybe the always on display is not as bright as it should be. It's a considerable difference. If this coating is not there, maybe the watch looks more better. I do have so many watch face, and I have selected few of them which looks really good outdoor. Okay, let's check this one. Okay, this is how it looks when the display is on, and this is how it looks when the always on display is on. Right, so again I feel this one is quite bright compared to all others because it has white lightings with the black background, so that makes this display a little brighter compared to other displays. And I hope you can see this from that distance. You can see there's something, the watch is on. Let's try this one. Okay, this watch face has all the information. If you're a health freak, you can customize the complications, and the always on display is quite similar, only the screen will dim, and it has again all the information you can see here. Okay, this is the next watch face which is called GMT. It has dual colors. We can again customize the colors in the setting. This is how it looks when the watch is on, and this is how it looks when the always on display is on. Okay, let's see how it looks when my hand is down from a certain distance. Okay, this is the watch face which I was talking about. It's called Typograph, and I have this red light background which you can customize it to a different color. And this, among all the watch face I have reviewed, this one has a better always on display feature. So let's check it out. See, it's plain and simple, and if you notice how bright it looks because of the white numbering and the black background. I'm pretty sure that from a certain distance this watch display looks really good. I feel this is the best watch face if you are going outdoor. Let's wait if Apple releases more watch faces in the new update, and we can explore anything if there is any better watch face. Let's review the watch face in indoor environment. Alright, so I'm driving car. It's night here. Let's see how the always on display looks at this time. So Yes, ma'am. Finally, let's look at the always on display inside the house. So I hope you got a clear picture on the always on display indoors and outdoors, how it looks. Apple claims that the always on display on the Series 6 is 2.5 times brighter than the Series 5. And it's very useful compared to the old watch where the always on display is not there. You have to frequently lift your hand to see the time. This is a great improvement on the Series 6 watch. Let's see what Apple has for the upcoming watch. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Thanks.